Hi, good morning boys. Today we are going to learn this video chapter 6 nuclear physics. In this video we are discussed discovery of radioactivity, natural radioactivity, artificial radioactivity, difference between natural and artificial radioactivity. Before briefly I will say about atom. What is atom? The word atom is derived from Greek word atoms. Its meaning is indivisible. The first man who came with idea of atom was a Greek philosopher Democritus. In 400 BC, Democritus believed that everything is composed by tiny indivisible particle called atom. The next person is in 1803 John Dalton proposed Dalton's atomic theory. He considered that all elements consist of atoms which are identical. The next person in 1897 J. Thomson discovered electrons. Electrons are negatively charged particles. J. Thomson proposed the atomic model is Blum-Butt atomic model. The next person in 1911 Rutherford discovered atomic nucleus. Rutherford explained that mass of atom is concentrated in central part of the atom called nucleus. Then Goldstein discovered positive charged particle named as proton. These are the things already we have learned in lower classes. Then discovery of radioactivity. In 1896 to 1897, French physicist Henri Becquerel accidentally discovered radioactivity. One day he was finished his work and stored some amount of uranium compound keep in his drawer. By chance, an unexposed photographic plate or the film roll stored in his drawer. Later, he noticed that that film roll or photographic plate was exposed. There is no chance darkroom photographic plate does not exposed. He discovered that whenever he placed a uranium near a photographic plate, something that affect the photographic plate because uranium emitted X-ray like some radiations. This radiations only affect the photographic plate or film, then the film was exposed. This phenomenon called radioactivity. Then 2 years later, Marie Curie and her husband Pierre Curie detected the pitcherblende. Later, pitcherblende known as uranium. After separating the pitcherblende, he discovered the new substances called radium. This is the radioactive element. This radium emits the harmful radiations like alpha, beta, and gamma rays. Due to this discovery of radioactivity, they got Nobel Prize in 1905. Next, radioactivity. What is radioactivity? The nuclei of some elements are unstable. Such nuclei undergo nuclear decay and converted into more stable nuclei. During this nuclear reaction, the nuclei emit some harmful radiations. The phenomenon of nuclear
reaction called radioactivity. The nuclear decay of element and emission of radiation like alpha, beta and gamma rays are called radioactivity. Radioactive are two types. One is natural radioactivity and artificial radioactivity. First of all, natural radioactivity. The elements like uranium and radium undergo nuclear decay that emit radiations by own without any human interfere or intervention. This process of spontaneous emission of radiation in some elements of their own are called natural radioactivity. The elements whose atomic number more than 83 undergo spontaneous radioactivity or natural radioactivity. Example, uranium is a radioactive element whose atomic number is more than 83 that undergo spontaneous emission of radioactivity. Next, artificial or induced radioactivity. What is artificial radioactivity? In 1934, Curie family discovered that artificial radioactivity. Aluminium, boron and magnesium are bombarded with alpha particle that emit positrons and neutrinos. This reaction called artificial or induced radioactivity. Example, magnesium 24 bombarded with helium nuclei that converted into silicon 27 and they emit positrons. This process is an example of artificial radioactivity. Then similarly, aluminium 27 is bombarded with helium nuclei that change into phosphorus and also that emit one neutrinos.